Welcome to BTFL. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. In this video, I got an arm blaster review. Super excited about this review because I've been wanting one of these for the longest time. Finally got one. My sister got me one for Christmas, and I've been using it pretty regularly. Alright, so we're gonna get straight into it. First of all, this is the arm blaster right here, and of course I will put a link in the description to this exact one, so if you want to check it out, you can check it out for yourself. But let's get into it. First of all, see right here, got a little strap. What you gotta do, you gotta adjust it. Most of them have a little adjust strap right here. Mine's on the left side, so what you want to do is make sure when you put it on, alright? And most people say this, and I agree, you want it like a little under your chest. Alright, you can go a little low. You don't want it too low, and you definitely don't want it too high because it would be super uncomfortable. Alright, so it should be right around, like right underneath your pecs where this should start. Alright, so let's get into it. So right here, I got a just a barbell curl bar. Alright, so I'm gonna put it down. I don't know if you can see me that low. So how I pick up the bar, go down, got it just like this. I already have like my arms in the position. So I go down, nice and easy, pick it up, stand up with it. Alright? So start with a regular curl. Make sure your triceps should be against the actual arm blaster. Alright? So you want to make sure you stand in straight as you can, upright, and then you just want to curl. Boom, nice and easy. Actually, this is lightweight, so I'm going to do the reverse curl. Show you how to do the reverse curl with this, alright? Stomach tight, up. You just want to curl. Boom. Boom. So you want to go up slow. Boom. Down slow. So you want to do that controlled reps. Alright, so you don't want to go up slow and then just drop it. That's garbage. You want to come up slow, control, boom, feel that squeeze, come down. Up, boom, down. Boom, down, boom, down. You want to see, because you're going to feel like when you got this on, you're going to want to feel like you're being pushed forward just because of the way this is. So make sure you try to stand straight up and just curl up. Boom. Alright, so this is how you look when you don't have no weights in your arms, okay? Now, if you never used one of these before, it will feel a little uncomfortable, a little different at first, but you just kind of got to get used to it. Also, you want to make sure your neck is comfortable, so make sure this little back piece is comfortable. Alright, and make sure this strap is not all folded all whack, because you'll feel it. Alright, so make sure it's just going smooth across when it's on your neck. That way it won't be too irritating. Alright, so let me switch this weight up real quick, add a little weight to show you the curls. Alright, good people, I'm back. I actually just added some more weight to the bar to show you what it looks like doing just a traditional curl. So same thing, get down here, just bend down, get the bar, and just kind of lift up. Alright, so you see I'm here, standing up. Suck that stomach in and just curl. Boom. Here. Curl. Remember, slow up, boom. Slow down. Boom. Boom. Alright, just from like the back angle. See a little bit. And just curl. Curl. Alright, so like I said, guys, I definitely feel it in the arms. You definitely will feel the effects of wearing this, alright, because it's really making it basically impossible for your elbows to go back. You can't go back, so it's really isolating your arms to hit the proper muscles, alright, which is really, really cool, and that's why I wanted one of these so long. So real quick, let me just show you. Alright guys, just in case you want to do some dumbbell, boom, same concept. So you want here, just boom, boom. Alright? Boom. 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 Alright? So I actually could lower this a little bit, but I'm not, but it's still getting the job done. Alright guys, you could actually even use this even on the triceps. Get a little rope, boom, elbows back, boom, 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 alright, boom. And there you have it, using the triceps with this. Now some people actually do it this way. They put their back against something and then they come down like this, which will actually probably be even more effective if you had something like your back against something and they had a rope in front just like this. But you actually can still do it this way too, alright? So it's alright guys, overall I love this thing. Preferably I like to use it mainly for working the biceps, but you can see you still can use it with the working the triceps, but I love this for doing bicep work, alright? So once again, you can check this out, link in the description. My sister paid like 20 bucks for this, but like I always say, with the prices fluctuating, it would be around $20, give or take. So hopefully this video helped you out. If you do decide to get one of these, comment below, let me know what you think about it, alright?